Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can install and use the framer motion library in your React or Next.js application. So in this video, basically, first of all, we will install this library, and then we will learn that how we can start learning the animations and how we can animate our components. Okay, so without any delay, let's start. So first of all, you can see I have created a basic Next.js application, and first of all I will open the terminal and we need to install this library. So I will open my browser and here I will search for framer motion npm. You can search this type of keyword and then you need to open this website. The website name is npmjs.com, and from here if you scroll, you can see that in the get started section they have mentioned we need to use this command npm install motion. So I will open this terminal, so I will paste this command here. We need to copy this command and paste this command, and then I will press enter. So this is only the single step we need to do. So motion library will be installed in your Next.js application, or maybe if you are using React, the process of installing is same. Okay, next what I will do, I'm going to teach you another website, the motion.dev. Okay, here you can see that this is the website. You will simply open. From here I will click on quick start, and because I'm using React, from here I will select the React. From here you can read these articles and learn more about how we can use motion for make animations. So I will only teach you a basic and simple way how we can use this. This is very easy to use. So first of all, I will create a paragraph here. I will type some lorem ipsum text and I will give some class to this like 5xl, and now let me run the project. So I will use the command npm run dev. Okay, here you can see that this is our paragraph. Further I will style it a little bit, like I will give maximum width of 700 pixel and margin top of 10 rem and margin x-axis to auto. So you can see that this is our simple paragraph. So now what I'm going to do, first of all, we need to import animate presence. You need to import it from motion react. We need to import all as motion from motion, and then you can type here react client. Okay, so we have imported their motion component, and now simply I will type here motion.div, its opening and closing tag. I will paste this closing tag here, and in the last you only need to pass some props here. Like first of all, I will type the initial state of our paragraph. So I will pass object as a prop. So for example, scale would be 0 and opacity would be 0. So this will be the initial point, and then I will type animate. It means once this element will be animated, how our element will look like. So I will type here scale to 1 and opacity to 1. Okay, now let me save this, let me refresh. So you can see that, friends, our this paragraph is animating. Further you can provide duration to this. To add duration, what you will do, you will simply type here another prop name transition, and inside this I will again pass an object, and simply I will type duration would be, for instance, 0.8 seconds. Now again let me refresh. So now you can see that it is taking more time to animate. So friends, this was the video that how we can use framer motion in our React or Next.js application. So hit the like button if video was helpful, and you can also watch our YouTube channel to see the other React tutorials. And finally, thanks for watching.